A ring on this finger here, so let me just take this ring off here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it into this hand here, okay, and then, but look, it's gone. But you know, I really kind of like that ring a great deal, so sometimes if you just say magic, 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 and the ring can come back out like that, and basically you got a ring that you can put on your finger, just like that. As always, rock and roll, of course, it does compute. If you like this type of content, please subscribe to my YouTube channel because that would totally compute. Yeah, computed. Magic.